Hi, I'm Antoine Tommasi and I am the Principal Consultant for Process Electrification Practice. Today, I will discuss a few questions to ask when embarking on an electrification journey. First, what are the key drivers for electrification? Is it driven by regulatory compliance or sustainability goals? Are there cost savings to be realized? Is electrification necessary to remain competitive in your industry? Specifically, when driven by sustainability goals, electrification will play a major role in the carbon reduction roadmap. Second, what are the most suitable processes to electrify? Not all processes are easily electrifiable, and some may require significant changes to existing infrastructure, or maybe not be cost-effective to electrify. By identifying the most suitable processes for electrification, a company can focus its resources on areas that will be providing the greatest impact, and fast. Suitable also does not always mean big. You may think of large assets such as an industrial boiler, but smaller processes, usually more present, are to consider. And finally, number 3, what are the potential risks and challenges associated with electrification? Indeed, integrating new equipment with the existing infrastructure, supply chain risks such as sourcing material for new equipment, or regulatory risks such as changes to environmental or safety regulations are potential challenges. For example, new technologies are being developed. New electrical furnace, for instance, new way to replace fuel such as hydrogen. Those questions will get answered or mature at different speed, but they are the first one to ask before starting a step-by-step process for process electrification. Connect and follow me on LinkedIn to get up to speed and learn more about what we do.